Good morning, folks, and welcome to the SLAID Centers. My name is Reed. I'm the Director of Information Services for SLAID Centers. And today's video is going to be answering the question, how can SLAID Centers be so affordable when compared to an attorney? I'm glad you asked that question. In order to answer that question, I have to get a little bit technical. There are three categories of people that fill out forms professionally. Number one is attorneys, and they can ask questions, they can give legal advice, they can do anything they want because they're attorneys. Number two are paralegals. Those are people operating under the direct supervision of an attorney, and they can pretty much do the same thing because they're acting as almost an agent for the attorney, and they're governed by very strict rules of what they can do and what they can't do. And the third is non-lawyers. And you say, well, Reed, isn't a non-lawyer filling out legal forms, isn't that acting as with the unauthorized practice of law? No, it's not, if we're very strict about what we do and what we don't do. We go ahead and we follow the letter of the law very closely, and we follow the spirit of the law even closer. So here's what we do. When you're dealing with filling out forms, there's two types of forms. There's forms that have been approved by the Florida Supreme Court, and then there's forms that haven't been approved by the Supreme Court. And the forms that have been approved by the Florida State Supreme Court have the law already written into them. An example of that would be a real estate contract. And if you've ever seen a realtor fill out a real estate contract and you ask yourself, how are they able to do that? It's because the law is already written in. It's already gone through all the rigorous testing processes, and it's pretty much, you're just filling in the blanks. That's pretty much what we'll be doing. Then there are the non-approved forms. With the non-approved forms, if a person comes in, what we will do is we will give them the form, and we'll have all of the provisions on there, and we'll say, circle the ones that you like, cross out the ones you don't like, put in all the information that you want with your name, all the other particulars, and we'll type it up for you. So that's how we're able to get around the non-authorized practice of law. And you're going to say, Reed, what happens if we ask questions? What happens if we want legal advice? We have attorneys that we work with that we can direct you to. But we will not answer those questions because that would be the unauthorized practice of law. I hope this clears everything up. Remember, if you're looking for affordable solutions to your legal problems, come to SLAID Centers. Don't be afraid, come to SLAID. Please call us at 407-272-0873 or go to our website, which is at www.slaid, S as in Sam, L as in legal, aid, A-I-D, centers, CENTERS.com. Looking forward to talking to you soon, because we're affordable. Don't be afraid. Come to SLAID.